Thomas fountain will turn onto this bridge. First, he is on this bridge.
He is?
No, he is on this bridge. These turtles are on this bridge. This hopper car does caboose.
The hopper car's the caboose?
Yes.
Why is that?
Because this hopper car is a very loud car.
It's a very loud car.
Thomas is going down the mountain. He is going down the mountain. Daddy, Mom.
Yes, dear?
Thomas is going down the mountain.
It's going down the mountain. That's exciting.
Okay. In the dark tunnel. Is that not for a tunnel? It's Thomas.
It's Thomas. Can you reach it? Oh, you got it. Good job.
He's on the mountain. Now he's down the mountain a little bit.
He is good. It's gone all the way around.
Planes are stuck together.
Well, the magnets are keeping them together.
Where are the magnets?
At the front and back of each car, right here. What's a circle? The loop is a circle, yes.
What's his name? What's his name, Mommy?
I don't know. What do you think his name is?
It's a different coin, yellow coin.
Is his name, I think, looking at the box on the wall, it's a Kevin. All right, can you wave bye? Wave bye. Tinsley, wave. I'm gonna wave. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Bye.
Here's something. Here's something.